The following is from issue 24 of the Magpie newsletter, February 1993. Birds on Mitcham Common, the Winter Ducks, by Mike Netherwood. During most months of the year there are mallard on the ponds of the common. These are the green-headed duck, familiar to us all from childhood. They regularly breed on Seven Islands Pond, although many of the ducklings fall prey to predators and human interference before fledging. In the harder weather of winter, the mallard are often joined on unfrozen parts of the waters by nomadic duck species in search of food. Most of these are really wild, taking flight at the merest hint of danger. Diving ducks, the tufted duck. The male is an iridescent purple-black with white flanks. The female is a warm brown, though the breast can vary to almost white. Both have a drooping crest of feathers at the back of the head. The bill, legs and feet are pale grey, and the eye is a startling lemon yellow. In flight both show a broad white band, or speculum, on the forewing. The pochard. The male has a chestnut head, a black breast and rump with a pale grey body. The female is a warm chestnut brown. Both have a bright brown eye with a grey bill, legs and feet. In flight the male shows a grey speculum, and the female's is white. They feed by jump diving from the surface or dabbling in the shallows. Surface feeding ducks. The shoveler, unmistakable because of its huge spatulate bill in both sexes. The male has a dark green iridescent head, white breast and chestnut belly and flanks, and shows a broad green and white speculum in flight. The female is rather like the female mallard, but only shows a single white wing bar in flight, whereas the mallard shows two. Shovelers are surface dabblers, sieving animal and plant matter through the huge bill. The teal, the smallest of our ducks. The male has a chestnut head with a broad green band through the eye, a brown spotted buff breast and finely vermicular grey flanks and back. The female is mallard-like, spotted and streaked brown. Both sexes show a broad green-edged white speculum and prominent cream and black under the tail when in flight. Teal are very wary and when flighted are able to achieve a near vertical takeoff,